Going across to some breaking news that's coming in. Indian Army sources are telling us that there is a build-up from both sides at the Depsang region of the line of actual control, where it's not too far away from the June 15 conflict region. Army sources confirming that today, on June 24th, there is a tent from the Chinese side that has been put on the LAC. At point 14, and this is a new build-up that China is once again trying to create and put pressure on India. The government is measuring what response it needs to give, but the troops present even in Depsang area is virtually meeting the Chinese troop deployment. Srinjoy Chaudhary has the details. Srinjoy.
Yes, as far as the area is concerned, these are pictures that were just taken only 2 days ago, and it's very clear that there are, whatever the Chinese do in that area, there are sufficient number of Indian troops deployed there with sufficient weaponry. So there's really no serious concern as far as the Depsang build-up is concerned, because India has enough troops in the area. That's really the first point. As far as those that infrastructure case you're referring to, that's virtually right on the line of control. We will have to see exactly where it is, whether it's on this side or that side. But certainly, this again was on the 22nd. Which means
Padmaja also has some details. Srinjoy, stay with me. I'm going across to Padmaja. Padmaja, the contention is at point 14. We understand there is a tent that has come up, which is in close vicinity of the line of actual control. The fact that Depsang has also seen some build-up of troops, clearly China continues to provoke India.
Absolutely. So now there are two areas in Ladakh that we're talking about. One is Depsang, but since Srinjoy has already spoken about that place, let me go back to eastern Ladakh and Galwan, which we're talking about. Patrol point 14, which is very, very close to the LAC, and I'm going to quote verbatim from what sources have told us, because this is a sensitive matter. The PLA build-up near where the fight happened, it's very close to the LAC. It was taken on the 22nd. When did the fight happen? It happened on the 15th of this month. Now, sources are telling Times Now, 15th, the tent was gone. And 22nd, which is when this image was taken, this is at Patrol Point 14, where the fight happened between India and China, and where 20 of our men were killed in combat. They have confirmed that Chinese tent is back, and it shouldn't be there. That is the limited information. But yes, at Patrol Point 14, there is a return of Chinese infrastructure. As far as the other build-up is concerned, it's very, very close to the LAC.
Well, thanks, Padmaja.